Sri Aurobindo and the mother have given a lot of importance to the day of our birth, our birthday. Sri Aurobindo always said that one must keep one's soul ready for the divine grace so that the soul may be receptive on one's birthday to receive the grace. On this day, because of the rhythm of the universal forces, one has a special receptivity with the divine. The mother said that birthdays are truly a very special day in one's life. It is one of those days in the year when the Supreme descends into us. Or we can say that it is that day when we can be face to face with the Eternal. One of those days when our soul comes in contact with the Eternal. And if we remain a little conscious, we can feel His presence right here within us. If we make a little effort on this day, we can accomplish the work of many, many lives as if in a lightning flash. That is why the mother gave so much importance to our birthday, because what one gains on that one day is truly something incomparable. It is actually a very, very, very special day. Why? Because it is the day of decision. The day one can unite with the Supreme Consciousness. This day is truly a great opportunity in life. It is one of those days when the Lord Himself opens the doors wide for us. He opens His doors wide for us. He is waiting for us, as if He is inviting us to rekindle more powerfully our flame of aspiration. The question that arises now is, how should one spend one's birthday? The mother said that one should spend one's birthday in aspiring to find out the real purpose of our life. What is the purpose of our life? We generally spend our day in partying, but we can party. We can party a day before, a day after, but we should take full advantage of our birthday. We should take advantage of the receptivity that is given to us, that is blessed upon us, to connect with our soul and make good resolutions and fresh inner progress. Let this day of our birth be for us an occasion to give ourselves a little more, a little better, and offer ourselves to the Divine. Spend the day in offering ourselves to the Divine. Let our surrender become more total, our devotion become more ardent, and our aspiration more intense. On this day, an occult phenomena occurs invariably without our knowledge. You know what happens? On our birthday, the soul leaves the body and journeys up and up and up till it merges with the Supreme, till it merges into its very source, so that it can replenish itself and absorb from the Supreme His power, His light, His Ananda. And then when the soul is charged with that light, power, Ananda, joy, love, then with all that charge, the soul comes back into the body so that it is charged for the next full year. Then again and again and again, the soul continues like this, year after year after year. So, our birthdays are very important days, because on that day, the soul has an open receptivity with the Divine. Thank you.